Are you ready to take your 3D printing business to the next level? In today's digital landscape, online platforms offer a world of possibilities to reach a wider audience and grow your sales. Join me as we explore the top marketplaces and e-commerce solutions that can propel your 3D printed products to success. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to start selling your creations online and reach customers across America and beyond. Welcome back, everyone. In our previous lessons, we covered the technical aspects of 3D printing, from choosing the right printer and materials to creating and optimizing your designs. But now, it's time to shift our focus to the business side of things. One of the most crucial elements of any 3D printing venture is figuring out how to effectively sell your products. And that's where online platforms come into play. In today's digital age, the internet has become the ultimate marketplace, offering unprecedented opportunities to connect with customers and showcase your 3D printed goods. So, where should you start? Well, let's dive into some of the top online platforms that can help you sell your 3D printed products with ease. First up, we have the e-commerce giant, Amazon. With its massive customer base and robust fulfillment services, Amazon can be an excellent choice for 3D printing businesses. You can create a dedicated Amazon store, list your products, and leverage the platform's advertising tools to reach a wide audience. Another popular option is Etsy, the go-to destination for handmade, vintage, and custom-made items. Etsy's thriving community of creative entrepreneurs makes it an ideal platform for 3D printing businesses looking to showcase their unique and personalized products. Additionally, platforms like Shapeways, Materialize, and 3D Hubs offer specialized 3D printing marketplaces. These platforms cater specifically to 3D printed goods, making it easier for customers to discover and purchase your creations. But let's not forget about your own e-commerce website. Building a professional-looking, user-friendly online store can give you greater control over your brand, pricing, and customer experience. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Squarespace make it easier than ever to create a stunning and functional e-commerce presence. The world of online selling for 3D printed goods is vast and full of possibilities. By leveraging the right platforms, you can unlock a whole new realm of opportunities for your business. Are you ready to take the plunge and start selling your 3D printed products online? Be sure to stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into pricing strategies and maximizing your profits. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all the latest 3D printing business tips and insights. In the meantime, check out the links in the description below to explore some of the top online platforms and e-commerce solutions for your 3D printing venture. Let's get those 3D printed goods out there and into the hands of customers across America.